Most satisfying factory machines and ingenious tools. To know about the most satisfying factory machines and their companies, watch the video until the end. Let's dig in. Number 10. Soom Spring Works. Soom can satisfy your needs whether you're trying to upgrade machinery or custom construct the correct spring for your new application. They offer a professional and experienced support team who can help you design and produce your customized spring. Soom Spring Works has a history of working with customers to manufacture the highest quality unique compression springs such as coil springs, hot wrap springs, and Inconel springs to match their needs. They have the experience and know-how to help enhance existing spring applications or design and manufacture new springs from start to finish. Its product line was and continues to be unparalleled. They can make compression, extension, and torsion springs with wire and bar diameters ranging from 0.005 inches to 4 inches. Wire forms, coiled tubing, stampings, metal spinning, bowsprings, and water jet capabilities are also available. Number 9. Hosho Machine. Wuxi Hosho Technology Company Limited is a professional worldwide producer and exporter specializing in transformers. Over 2 decades of experience, they have developed a comprehensive transformer manufacturing solution that includes plant planning, entire machinery, materials delivery, transformer design help, and transformer production training. Among their several machines, the winding machine is used to create the electric transformer's high and low voltage coils. A coil winding machine makes wire-type coils out of flat or round wire. A foil winding machine is used to make foil-type coils out of aluminum or copper foil. It is true to its goal. Number 8. Haas Automation. The firm creates low-cost machine tools and specialized supplementary gear, mostly computer numerically controlled equipment such as vertical and horizontal machining centers, turning centers, or rotary tables and indexers. The majority of its products are produced in the company's primary location in Oxnard. The corporation is also active in racing, owning the Haas F1 team and the Stewart Haas racing team in NASCAR. By overall unit volume, Haas is one of the world's largest machine tool producers. Just check out how fine their work is. Number 7. Beeler. Stamped and shaped items created with Beeler technology are an everyday occurrence. When riding in a vehicle, they assure your safety by employing belt housings, head restraints, and ABS ESP systems. Lamp sockets, energy-saving lighting, and fuses provide illumination in the homes. Cookie cutters may even make children's eyes sparkle. Thousands of Beeler parts may be found in various industrial sectors, including automotive, electronics, home appliances, medical and environmental technologies, and iron sheet metal goods. They are a little excited to claim that the current society can only function properly with these Beeler parts. We may agree with them. Number 6. Texinter Braiding Machine. Texinter Limited has the experience and excellent quality preserving traditions and the most recent developments. The braiding machines produced are patent-free. They provide braiding equipment to businesses of various sizes, both in Russia and throughout the world. They can offer a wide selection of braiding machines to create various end products, including elastic bands, parachute lines, climbing ropes, shoelaces, surgical threads, protective sheaths, cable trees, gold-braided goods, and many more. Number 5. Wire Bending AIM. AIM Inc.'s modular machine building approach delivers exceptional machine upgrade flexibility and adaptability. By simply swapping frame modules, 2D machines can produce rectangular frames as large as 72 inches, both 2D and 3D machines can expand to include auxiliary machine modules. Examples of these include chamfering, butt welding, end forming, drilling, marking, threading, and press operations. Many of these modules are available in-line, allowing for turnkey final product production. The newest machine lines include the value-oriented AccuForm Compact, which raises the bar for entry-level automated CNC wire bending machines, and the AccuForm Rebar, which is a dedicated rebar CNC bending machine with world-class strength and sturdiness while utilizing AIM's exclusive Smart Editor user-friendly machine controller environment. Number 4. Nrgissa. Nrgissa represents quality, reliability, guarantee, and innovation. Quality standards are strictly enforced during production. Nrgissa rigorously tests all machines before sending them out of Spain. Quantum Machinery tests them before delivering them to its clients to guarantee that everything works well after travel. Nrgissa has its own R&D department, which ensures consistent evolution and progress. Every year, new items are introduced into the global market due to their consumers' input. All Nrgissa products are constructed using the best European electrical and hydraulic components. Quantum Machinery Group stocks most Nrgissa machine components in the United States. Number 3. Boder Laser. Boder Laser is an international firm dedicated to the research, development, manufacture, and marketing of laser cutting devices. It's the world leader in the sale of 10 kW plus laser cutting machines. Moreover, it has the world's first 25,000 watt, 30,000 watt, 40,000 watt, and 22,000 watt laser cutting machines. That's some fine work this machine can do. Number 2. TRUMPF Laser Cut. TRUMPF's objective is to advance and digitally connect manufacturing technology in order to make it more efficient, accurate, and future-proof. In doing so, they hope to improve production efficiency and its upstream and downstream processes. This is how they will construct the industrial world of the future. They are market and technology leaders in machine tools, including lasers for industrial manufacturing, and their technologies are used in nearly every industry. Their software solutions paved the path for the smart factory, enabling them to execute high-tech industrial electronics operations. Number 1. TWE Friction Welding. TWE is one of the world's leading independent research and technology organizations specializing in material joining and engineering processes. TWE delivers authoritative and unbiased professional advice, know-how, and safety assurance pertaining to engineering, materials, and joining technologies to its members and stakeholders. They may give your goods a comprehensive solution to joining, inspection, and material application. This includes everything from R&D, specification, and prototype to commissioning, installation, and training. So, which of these was your favorite? Comment below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.